A recent Rockford double murder has once again brought the issue of domestic violence into discussion.
Last week, Christina Langston Hill and her husband Tion Hill were found dead at their Bruce Street home. Two persons of interest in the case were under orders of protection and no stalking orders at the time of the murders. Karina Parada joins us now. And Karina, while these men have not been directly charged for these murders, it's really drawn attention to the help that's out there for victims.
That's right, Eric and Mimi. Advocates say while seeking an order of protection may seem intimidating, it can be a crucial tool. Residents can look up the application either at the circuit clerk's office or even start the process online. If you are the victim of domestic violence, harassment, or intimidation, you have options. An order of protection is intended to protect you from individuals. A no stalking order can be used to keep those who aren't related to you away.
If they have that familial or child in common relationship, they qualify for an order of protection.
Emergency orders are also available. Unfortunately, victims have to return to court to continue the protection.
I know that there are judges who do a really good job at being mindful of trying to make sure that those people are separated, but at the end of the day, you're still in the same building and you're still in the same space.
It's a difficult experience for many. Manager of the Domestic Violence and Human Trafficking Prevention Office, Jennifer Cachapalia, says she hears it all the time.
I had a survivor who called me from in front of the courthouse and just said, I can't do it. I'm just going to go home and just try to make sure I don't make him mad. That is something that is a conversation around giving up on the order protection process that happens more often than not.
Advocates say they hope to have a virtual system for emergency orders at Rockford's future Family Peace Center.
We want to make sure that we have a courtroom facility so that they can then go down the hall, get their order of protection.
Supporters say there is help in place for those in need. Seeking it is worth every effort.
Please, if you feel that you may need an order of protection, consider pursuing it. Contact a service agency.
It allows law enforcement an extra avenue to try to protect them and to be proactive and vigilant in making sure that they are kept safe.
Advocates say it's critical residents immediately call police if they are suspicious their offender is nearby. Violating an order of protection is against the law and individuals will be arrested.
All right, Karina, thanks for that report.